In this video, I'll show you how to use the TurboTax tax calculator. Now, in order for you to find the TurboTax tax calculator, what you need to do is simply head over to this URL, which is turbotax.intuit.com/tax-tools-calculators and -taxcaster. Now, taxcaster is the name of their calculator. So from here, what you can do is calculate your refund. So on here, choose the blue button, and then once you click on it, in here, you can add your estimated federal refund. So in here, it will ask for your age. Let's say that we are about 30 years old. At the bottom, it will ask you if someone can claim you as a dependent. You can choose yes or no. If you have your W-2s on hand, this is your wages and income. And once you have selected that, at the bottom, if you click on continue, it will ask you for more information about your filing status. Let's say that we are single. We can also choose married or filing jointly, married filing separately, or as head of household. At the bottom, click on continue. From here, it will ask you for your annual earned income for this year. Let's say yearly, we make about 50K. At the bottom, it will say that you have to include your overtime, your tip and income in the above field. In here, it will ask you how much taxes were withheld for this year. We have about 5,000. At the bottom, click on continue. Now in here, as you can see, it will automatically state that we have about $1,128 for our refund. So in here at the bottom, you can file your own taxes. You can file confidently with an expert. It will show you the actual pricing, or you can have an expert to do your taxes. So in here, you can just simply choose an option. If you want to file your taxes yourself, then you can just simply do that. Now at the bottom, you can also continue to refine estimate. From here, you can add additional details such as all of your dependents, your education, your retirement, your other income, your other deductions, and tax payments. In here, we also have auto loan interest and tips and overtime. Let's say you want to do your education as an example, your other income. At the bottom, if you click on continue, it will ask you to select an option if you have any income other than your job. Let's say that I am self-employed. At the bottom, if you click on continue, it will now ask you for your net business income. Let's say this is about 5,000. And if you click on continue here below, it will ask you for the amount of dependents that you have that are under 17. Let's say 0. Full-time students aging from 17 to 23, let's say 1. If we have other dependents other than this age range, we can also add that in here. At the bottom, if you click on continue, it will automatically calculate your estimated federal refund. It will ask you for your tips and overtime in a year, let's say about 1,000. In here, it will ask you if you or your child are attending the first 4 years of college. You can add no here, but if you do, you have to state your tuition and if your fees that have been paid and your student loan interest paid. As you can see, it will automatically calculate the federal refund. Now, once you have that, you can again file yourself with an expert or have an expert do your taxes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.